Okay, as you're going through your Nearpod, again, if you see the little arrows on the side, that means to go on. This one means to go back. As you press the arrows, you will see that on these pages, I went ahead and I recorded myself down here. You will see the record button, the play button down here. So when you press the play button, it will play it to you. Okay? There are some pages where I'm asking you to draw or underline or highlight something on the page. So you'll see the tools down here. So the play button is up at the top. If you want to listen to the story, if you want to listen to me reading the story, it'll be up here. So you have to press up here in order for it to play. All right. Sometimes what happens is this little pull down menu goes up here. So if you don't see the play button anywhere, you don't see it down here, you don't see it up here, you're gonna have to pull the little the menu. You're gonna have to pull it down, and then you will see the play button here. Okay. Then continue on through all the way through. It's not going to let you go on unless you do what it asks you to do. All right. And I'm going to be reading the directions here. So listen carefully. Use on some of them, it says underline. On some of them, it says highlight. And on some of them, it says draw. So make sure that you use the marker tool to underline. One of the ways that you can make your pen or your marker really thin, so it's not so thick, is you bring this little button down. Do you see how the circle, it keeps getting smaller? So the smaller it is, the smaller your point is. The thicker it is, the bigger your point is. You see, when I draw. Okay, so I don't want that kind of point because it's going to cover the words that I'm using. You get the point, right? Here, if I bring this down, now it's thinner. So when I underline, the line is thinner. So it's not so, it doesn't cover the other words. The highlighter tool, remember, it's this one right here. You can change the color. You can make it yellow, pink, whatever, and then you just highlight the words as it shows on the screen. Okay. The eraser button, don't forget that it's right here. And the text tool, again, make it smaller if you need to. Move it around from here, wherever you need to. Delete if you need to. If you want to start it again, you're going to have to press it again. Type, move it around. If I make a mistake, I've got to press the text tool again, press right there again, and it'll come back up here where I need it. Okay, and now I can delete, I can type again. Okay. Make sure you follow directions and that you complete every single page that has the tools down here, or it's not going to let you go on.